Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Rolls-Royce Phantom Extended versus the Ghost Extended. We'll explore their distinct personalities, from their design philosophies to their target audiences. The Phantom Extended represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury, designed for those who prefer to be chauffeured. In contrast, the Ghost Extended, while incredibly luxurious, offers a more dynamic and engaging experience for the owner who enjoys driving. Let's dive into what sets these magnificent vehicles apart. Both the Phantom Extended and Ghost Extended share a formidable 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, delivering effortless power. However, their driving philosophies diverge significantly. The Phantom is engineered for unparalleled passenger comfort, creating an almost silent, isolated cabin experience. The Ghost, while still incredibly smooth, offers a more engaging drive, thanks to its advanced suspension that adapts to the road, providing a magic carpet ride that feels more connected. Inside, both vehicles are sanctuaries of luxury, but the Phantom Extended truly excels in rear passenger space, offering an astonishing 47.8 inches of legroom. The Ghost Extended, while still very generous, provides around 39 inches. Both models allow for unparalleled personalization, from the finest leathers and woods to starlight headliners. The Phantom often features more elaborate, art-inspired elements, while the Ghost maintains a slightly more minimalist, contemporary aesthetic. Ultimately, the choice between the Phantom Extended and Ghost Extended comes down to personal preference and priorities. The Phantom represents the pinnacle of Rolls-Royce luxury and exclusivity, with a starting price reflecting its bespoke nature. The Ghost, while still incredibly luxurious, offers a slightly more understated elegance and a more driver-focused experience at a lower entry point. Both deliver an unparalleled ownership experience. For more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.